Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the review of Tana AI. Tana is an AI-powered productivity tool designed to streamline information organization, task management, and project coordination. It integrates features from note-taking applications, databases, and task managers aiming to provide a flexible and interconnected workspace. These allow users to categorize and manage information effectively, providing a dynamic approach to organizing notes and tasks. Tana's AI capabilities assist in automating workflows, offering insights, and connecting new information to your existing knowledge base. These enable users to create customized workflows by combining various commands, enhancing productivity and adaptability. Tana's daily page feature helps users organize tasks and stay on track with their schedules. Tana's AI agents function like embedded chatbots within your notes, capable of reading and connecting to your existing knowledge, and can be activated with a single click. It is suitable for note-taking, project management, and research, adapting to diverse productivity needs. It automates information structuring, reduces manual organization, and connects new information to your knowledge base. Users can tailor Tana to fit personal or team needs, adapting the workspace to various productivity requirements. Overall, Tana is recognized as a promising tool for personal knowledge management, offering a blend of flexibility and AI-driven features. So basically, this is the review of Tana AI. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.